plots in the literary kitchen.
In the kitchen with a shelf so fine, we're cooking up a story, we'll make it rhyme. Grab a plot, it's the key ingredient. In the literary kitchen where tiles were made, stir it in the pot, let the plot unfold. Twists and turns a narrative to be told. Characters dancing in a simmering plot. In the literary kitchen where dreams are caught. Start with exposition, set the stage so clear. Add some conflict, make it pop my ear. Rising action like the heat beneath the lid. Tensions rising just like a simmering breeze. Stir it in the pot, let the plot unfold. Twists and turns the narrative to be told. Characters dancing in the simmering plot. In the literary kitchen where dreams are caught. Climax sizzles like a spicy surprise. Falling action cools as the story unwinds. Resolution flavors the tale's final spot. In the literary kitchen where plots are hot. Stir it in the pot, let the plot unfold. Twists and turns a narrative to be told. Characters dancing in the simmering plot. In the literary kitchen where plots are hot. Stir it in the pot, let the plot unfold. Twists and turns a narrative to be told. Characters dancing in the simmering plot. In the literary kitchen where plots are hot. Stir it in the pot, let the plot unfold. Twists and turns a narrative to be told. Characters dancing in the simmering plot. In the literary kitchen where dreams are caught. So grab your pen, let your imagination soar. Cooking up a plot like never before. Start with exposition, set the stage so clear. Add some conflict, make it pop, my dear. Rising action like the heat beneath the lid. Tensions rising just like a simmering quail.